kahanash! Welcome sa isa na naman nating foodie vlog. And for today's video, pupunta tayo sa Bobaholic Tea House. Yes, mga Pamshi and Mamshi, we are committed to support our local vendors or restaurants. Kaya naman, arat na! Halina at samahan nyo kami. Bobaholic Tea House opened last April 2024 by a Viet owner. They are located at 3051 25th Street C, Fargo, North Dakota. Malapit lang sila sa West Acres Mall. They are open all week, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Napakadali lang pala umorder dito, mga kahanash. Hindi ka na kailangang pumila sa counter. Doon ka pipila sa parang online kiosk nila na touch screen. So you just only have to choose whatever coffee or milk tea that you wanted and pay by card. Tapos maghintay ka na lang na tawagin ang order mo. They have milk tea, fruit smoothies, coffees, and po. For this video, we have tried Tiger Sugar Boba Fresh Milk for Math, Honeydew Smoothie for Zion, at Creme Brulee Vietnamese coffee naman for me. We also ordered chicken popcorn and fries. I can confidently say na ito na ang pinakamasarap na boba in town. Dadayuhin mo talaga. Kaya sa mga kahanash natin na papunta pa lang dito sa Fargo, don't worry! Marami tayong pwedeng pasyalan at kainan dito sa Fargo. Overall score natin for this boba milk tea is 10 out of 10. Perfect talaga. Although hindi pa namin na-try ang iba pa nilang milk tea or soups, pero malay mo, balikan natin sa sweldo. Char! Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa food trip natin today. Till our next foodie vlog, mga kahanash. Once again, this is your nurse Mamshi saying, minimize pain, maximize pleasure, and do the most good. Paalam!